The Musette, a very famous Bach piece, or we think it's Bach. The Bach piece is a really famous one. There's a real Musette that's like a couple pages, a big one, fancy dancy. Really cool. If you ask me about it when you come to lessons, I'll show you it, and maybe I'll even play it. I don't know if I can. But really interesting piece because we're going to have two motions. We're going to have a long motion versus a short motion. So a good way to practice this would be to make sure you have those two motions. So maybe play your left hand first a couple times, play your right hand first, like I did, and then put them together. Another thing to do would be to keep doing it over and over. If you do it 50 times in a row, you probably won't have to struggle with it too much more after that, and that would make your piece a lot easier, rather than doing it like 2 times in a row and then struggling every time you get to it. Thinking, that's us. First line is basically the same thing twice. The next line is a little bit different, but all staccato pretty much, all matching. You just have to get your intervals right on that. So it goes down, and then there's a fourth, and then thirds. So that second part is fourth, third, third. Okay? But both hands are doing the same thing, so not as hard. Guess what? The third line is the same as the first, and the fourth line is very similar to that second line. So if you practice those 2 lines a whole bunch, which I know you will, because you love my advice, then you should have a fantastic time with this piece. Good luck. It's actually a short video on probably one of the hardest songs in the book, but it's really easy to practice if you take it the smart way. Okay? Enjoy.